Question 1. What is PHP and what does it stand for? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a server-side scripting language used for web development to create dynamic web pages. Question 2. How do you comment in PHP and what are the types of comments? You can comment in PHP using double slash for single-line comments and /* for multi-line comments. Question 3. What is the difference between echo and print in PHP? Echo can output multiple values, while print can only output one value. Echo is slightly faster, but the difference is usually negligible. Question 4. Explain the difference between double equal sign and triple equal sign in PHP. Double equal sign is used for loose equality, while triple equal sign is used for strict equality. In strict equality, both the value and data type must match. Question 5. What is the use of the global keyword in PHP? The global keyword is used to access a global variable from within a function. It makes a variable available globally. Question 6. How can you prevent SQL injection in PHP? To prevent SQL injection, you should use prepared statements or parameterized queries. These techniques sanitize user input and prevent malicious SQL queries. Question 7. What is the purpose of the session_start function? Session_start function initializes a new session or resumes an existing session. It's necessary to use sessions in PHP for storing user-specific data across multiple pages. Question 8. What is a PHP superglobal? Name a few PHP superglobals. Superglobals are built-in variables that are always accessible, regardless of scope. Some common superglobals in PHP include $_get, $_post, $_request, $_session, and $_server. Question 9. How do you include an external PHP file in your script? You can include an external PHP file using the include or require statement. Include includes the file and continues script execution on failure, while require halts execution on failure. Question 10. What is the ternary conditional operator in PHP? The ternary conditional operator is a shorthand if-else statement. It allows you to assign a value to a variable based on a condition. So question 11. What is a PHP class and how do you create an object from a class? A class in PHP is a blueprint for creating objects. You create an object from a class using the new keyword like $object =, new class name. Question 12. What is autoloading in PHP and how does it work? Autoloading in PHP is a mechanism that automatically loads classes when they are needed without explicit require or include statements. It's achieved using the SPL_autoload_register function. Question 13. Explain the difference between get and post methods in form submissions. Get appends form data to the URL and is suitable for non-sensitive information. Post sends form data in the request body and is used for sensitive or large data. Question 14. What is a PHP namespace and why is it used? A namespace in PHP is used to avoid naming conflicts between classes, functions, and constants. It allows you to organize and group related code under a specific namespace. Question 15. How can you connect to a MySQL database in PHP? You can connect to a MySQL database in PHP using the MySQL or PDO extension. First, establish a connection and then perform queries to interact with the database. Question 16. What is a closure in PHP? A closure, also known as an anonymous function, is a function without a name. It can capture variables from its surrounding scope and is often used for callback functions or for encapsulating logic. Question 17. What are magic methods in PHP and why are they called magic? Magic methods are predefined methods in PHP classes with double underscores, underscore underscore construct, underscore underscore toString. They are called magic because they are automatically invoked and provide specific functionality in certain situations. Question 18. What is the purpose of the header function in PHP? The header function is used to send HTTP headers to the browser, allowing you to control aspects of the HTTP response, like redirecting, setting cookies, and caching. Question 19. How can you handle file uploads in PHP? File uploads in PHP can be handled using the $_ files superglobal and the move _uploaded_ file function. You should also validate and sanitize file uploads for security.